guy?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Oh. Yeah, the bug is going around.
Well, I'm a little more worried about the bugs coming off this thing.
No, this thing is pretty much brand new. I'm the original owner. It's always been garage kept, and I never redlined it before. No oil leaks, no engine light, never been off-road.
Sounds about right.
Why don't we take it for a test drive? Hop in.
Make sure to always test drive your vehicle before purchasing it. Am I forgetting something? Oh yeah. Hey. So after successfully purchasing the $500 Camry, it was time to get it cleaned up. So I'm kicking it off with the interior. These clips are no match for my tool. And with the 4 bolts loose, I can see what's been brewing under these seats. Whoa, this Camry is already paying for itself. The driver's side required a little bit more work, but it was a breeze. So you want to do this part cautiously, you know, avoid the seat slider. But hey, after the clip was disconnected, the seats could come right out, along with their cigarette burns and mold stains. As you can see under the driver's side, these are the original Ritz crackers that the first owner enjoyed when it rolled off the showroom floor. I like to start off with the seats first, because that's going to allow the sun to dry them out quicker. And I'm also trying to use less solution in the areas that don't need as much, to avoid oversaturating the seat foam. Now that the carpets are looking and smelling a whole lot better, let's go ahead and finish up the back seats and floor mats. To clean the dash, I come through with a brush and a vacuum to get the initial dust. Depending on how dirty it is, I'll either spray all-purpose cleaner or my protectant straight into the foam brush. A really useful tip I learned over the years is to have the climate controls on so they don't end up spraying dust over your freshly cleaned vents. Meanwhile, my steamer was warming up to blast the dirtier center console. I took the opportunity to clean up the pedals as well as other plastics. After all that, I was not thrilled to find this mold, but some full strength degreaser took care of it really quick. After cleaning all the plastics on the seats, I popped them back in. So a normal detail would probably stop there, but I wanted to go above and beyond since this was my own baby now. I went ahead and took a magic eraser and got to work scrubbing these, let's say cigarette stains out. I couldn't help but replace that interior door handle trim. The driver's side door was also having a little trouble closing, but I had just the solution for it. These are easily the best air fresheners I've used, so I had to throw one in there. And last but not least, guys, I really wanted to try out my new buffer, so these door jambs were a perfect place to start. If you want to see this $500 Camry get a full paint correction, then tune in to the next video. But for now, you guys know what time it is. Made it this far into the video, I really want to thank you, and I just ask that you smash that like button and comment something below to help this video reach more people. And click one of those videos in front of you. Go on, click it.